Before you even think about skipping this, pay close attention. What I'm about to share is something most men, especially older men, go their entire lives without fully understanding. A woman may appear completely calm on the surface, composed, in control, even emotionally distant. But beneath that exterior, something far more powerful is unfolding. Her body is already leaning toward you. Her mind is trying to make sense of a feeling she never expected to experience. And the truth is, she will almost never explain why. Not because she's playing games or feeling confused, but because expressing those desires makes her vulnerable in a way most women are not ready to face. Tonight, I'm going to break the unspoken rules women keep among themselves. I'll reveal 5 hidden desires women have when it comes to older men. These are the exact emotional experiences that make her stop resisting, stop over-analyzing, and quietly fall deeper than she ever imagined. These aren't tricks or rehearsed lines. These are the emotional mechanisms behind what women describe as, "There's just something different about him." And if you stay with me until the final desire, I'll show you the exact moment when attraction turns into certainty, the moment she stops doubting and simply lets herself feel. Before we begin, subscribe to Love Blueprint, because this channel is for men who want to understand female psychology beyond surface-level advice. This is about presence. This is about emotional mastery. This is about becoming unforgettable. Now let's begin. Desire number 5, the desire for seduction. The first thing women secretly crave in older men is seduction, not confidence. Confidence can be faked. Seduction cannot. Seduction emerges when a man no longer feels the need to prove anything. It shows in the way he settles into his space, in the way he doesn't rush to fill every silence, in the way his body language quietly says, "I am already enough." Younger men often try too hard. They seek validation. They chase reactions. But an older man who understands his presence does something different. He allows her to come closer. And the moment she senses it, something shifts. Her body starts leaning toward him before she even understands why. She adjusts her hair, turns slightly in his direction, and without realizing it, she moves closer. Not because he pulled her in, but because his presence created an irresistible pull. That's attraction. And the moment you stop chasing the space, she begins crossing it toward you. Desire number 4, the desire for patience. Attraction draws her in, but this next desire reaches even deeper. It affects her sense of calm. Women secretly long for an older man who never rushes the emotional pace. A younger man reacts quickly, rushes forward, feels a pause, and immediately tries to secure the moment. But the older man, who moves just a bit slower, creates a tension her body begins to follow. When she teases him, he responds with a relaxed smile. When she tests him, he allows silence to linger. When she intensifies the moment, he responds with calm control. That control is powerful, because now she becomes the one moving emotionally. His rhythm becomes the frame. And once she starts aligning with that rhythm, something intense happens. She's no longer in full control of the emotional intensity of the interaction. That subtle loss of control is what creates obsession. If this is already shifting how you understand attraction, like the video and subscribe to Love Blueprint, because the next desire is the one that can ruin everything if handled incorrectly. Desire number 3, the off switch. This isn't a desire, it's what shuts everything down. The moment an older man apologizes for his age, the moment he jokes about being old, the moment he says something like, "You'd probably prefer someone younger," attraction disappears instantly. Why? Because women aren't attracted to age itself. They're attracted to what the years have built into your presence. The instant you show insecurity about it, every signal she picked up before starts to feel false. Your confidence feels like an act. Your patience feels forced. Your certainty fades. And once that happens, attraction turns into indifference. This is a mistake most men never recover from. So never apologize for what she secretly values. Desire number 2, the desire for protection. This is something many women feel, but rarely admit. It's not about control or possessiveness. It's about quiet, unspoken protection. A woman moves through the world with a constant, subtle awareness. Rooms, crowds, unfamiliar energy. She's always observing. When an older man naturally positions himself on the outside of the street, when his hand rests calmly on her lower back in a crowd, when his body subtly shifts between her and something chaotic, her nervous system finally relaxes, and that feeling of relief is powerful.